So good morning and thank you for covering us. Madhusudan is a more than 40-year-old company. We are a vertical organization and it's a family business organization. So three generations in business together, working today. We are a vertical textile group, right from manufacturing of yarn to fabrics to garments. What we are focusing here is primarily the yarn division. And it is the largest division of the group. In the yarn division, Madhusudan is more into specialty products. We are not a commodity manufacturer, which means we are constantly striving to bring innovation and new products to the market, and we are pioneers of that in the Indian ecosystem. Now working on a global scale. At the moment, we are working in more than 15 odd countries already. We're exporting to more than 15 countries. So we're doing a lot of specialty products like recycled polyesters, mechanical stretch polyesters, comfort stretch, bicomponent yarns. So many specialty products like this. So basically, we're very proud of the fact that all the fancy filament yarn machines available in the world under one single roof, Madhusudan is the only company to have that kind of an infrastructure. What it gives us it gives us an edge in terms of development and more innovation. So we are able to create more products in-house. Every kind of machine, we have a pilot machine as well as commercial machine. Plus we have an in-house R&D workshop, an engineering workshop where we are able to create better and new attachments which help us differentiate from the commoditized market basically in a way. So that's the infrastructure for the yarn. Parallelly, similar infrastructure for weaving. We have air jets, water jets and rapiers, all three. We're doing close to 1.5 million meters of fabric a month, about 15 lakh meters of fabric a month in wovens. We're doing a lot of knits as well. We have circular knits as well as tricots. So we're doing about 300 tons in each. Processing is there. Garmenting we started a few years back, 3 years back post-COVID. And now we're doing for quite a few major domestic brands as of now. So we're supplying to the likes of Reliance Retail and Shoppers Stop and a few other brands. And we're doing a lot of corporate orders as well in garmenting. Few key points that help us, help a customer, when they work with Madhusudan. One, we are a one-stop solution, meaning if a customer is looking for yarn or fabric or garment, one of the division of Madhusudan can cater to their requirements. So it is a one-stop solution. That is the biggest advantage of working with Madhusudan. Specifically, if I have to talk about the yarn division, we are pioneers when it comes to specialized yarns. So invariably, we are more focused on innovation and development. It helps us and in turn, more importantly, our customers be ahead of the competition. So we are the ones who are bringing in the global technology to the Indian platform. We are the ones developing a lot of things in India now. And we hope that through our developments, our customers can be one step ahead of the competition. And the best part is we are very customizable in the sense that we are not since we are not a commodity manufacturer, it's not that we have very high MOQs. So with a lot of customers, we walk the path along the way, meaning small quantities first and then it builds on to the big order. So we understand that path. Nothing gets turned into big volumes overnight, and we offer this solution to customers wherein they are able to access smaller quantities at faster deliveries, helps them in new development innovation as well. Directly, since we are in the back end of the chain, since we are a yarn manufacturer and a fabric manufacturer, frankly, we don't work directly with a brand, but through our customers who are into garmenting and through fabric, we're working with many brands. Not at a liberty to disclose the name since we are not directly associated, frankly, but almost all global brands in performance sports fabric, in fashion apparels, we are directly or indirectly related with almost all the brands today. We have been expanding quite vigorously. We have quite literally doubled our capacity in the last 5 years. In the last 3 years, post-COVID, we have expanded in weaving, in knitting, and in yarn dyeing. Now within this next year, we will go directly 3 times our existing capacity in the yarn business. So we are very aggressive and we are very bullish on the Indian textile ecosystem overall, and we are looking to be in the front end of the entire journey of India becoming a major hub of textiles over the next 5 to 10 years. What Madhusudan is looking to be, definitely within the next 3 years, we want to be a one-stop solution for the end brands as well. Like I mentioned before, we're not working with the end brands as of now because garmenting is not something that we're doing right now. Next 3 years, our target is to be an end-to-end solution for the brands. Number two, to be very, very strong player in functional and performance wear apparels. India still, unfortunately, we have been very strong in cotton ecosystem in the last 50, 70 years of our existence. That has been how India has grown. But globally, you see, there has been a tremendous shift into performance synthetics. Synthetics have this flexibility wherein they have, you are able to create different kind of functions. And we want to be leading that. We already are, thankfully, and we want to be much more ahead and bring these set of innovations to India in the next 3 years.